Akash started with Anthe 15 years back. Anthe has been a gateway to success for aspiring doctors and engineers for the last 15 years. Thousands of young kids have managed to realize their dreams through Anthe. And to celebrate Anthe, I present to you Rishabh Pant.
Congratulations, Akash, for 15 years of Anthe.
My first year when I wrote Anthe was 2022, and my best Anthe rank all over the country was Air 8.
My parents saw an ad for Anthe in the newspaper, and so I wrote Anthe in 9th grade and I got a scholarship.
I appeared for Anthe in 2019 for class 9th. It is an exam in which you get to know about where you stand among all the future NEET aspirants.
I actually joined Akash in 9th through the Anthe exam.
I was able to secure a scholarship of about approximately 90% through Anthe.
It is useful for students to get scholarships to join Akash.
Anthe एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो हमें ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे बताता है कि हम कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं.
तो एंथे का टेस्ट में इतने सारे बच्चे अपीयर हो रहे थे. आकाश वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डेस्टिनेशन फॉर इंजीनियरिंग.
आकाश का जो एंथे का एंट्रेंस एग्जाम था उसमें ये पार्ट लिए थे, इन्होंने दिया था, इनकी रैंकिंग अच्छी आई थी.
Gang with Anthe because I gave it in class 10.
I gave Anthe in 8th standard, joined foundation courses in 9th standard, and I've never regretted that decision.
मैंने अपनी जर्नी आकाश के साथ एंथे के थ्रू स्टार्ट की.
I went for Anthe and I got a decent rank.
I appeared for the Anthe in class 8th, in which I secured a rank in 200 and I got enrolled into the foundation course.
In 8th standard, I gave Anthe and got admission in the classroom course of Akash.
I secured 3rd rank in NEET UG 2019 and I'm very happy with my success today.
I joined Akash Institute for 2 years regular classroom program through Anthe exam.
I joined the Akash Institute in 2015 through the Anthe exam.
I joined Akash in 2015 2-year classroom program and I am from the Anthe Freship batch.
The entire experience at Akash was very enriching. I learned a lot.
I joined Akash for 2-year classroom program through Anthe exam.
I was selected through Anthe and I've studied in 2-year classroom program of Akash.
I joined the institute in 2013 through their Anthe exam.
I got AIR 12 in AIPMT and I owe this success to Akash Institute.
मैंने 2-year क्लासरूम ज्वाइन किया था 2012 में Anthe बैच में.
I am Rakshak Satsangi, a student of Anthe 2-year program.
मैंने Anthe के लिए अपियर किया था क्लास 10th में.
I gave Anthe. मैंने Anthe का एग्जाम दिया था, आकाश नेशनल टैलेंट हंट एग्जामिनेशन.
Anthe is a very good exam.
I gave Anthe.
Anthe was one of the first steps in my journey towards success.
I went for Anthe.
Appeared for Anthe.
मैंने Anthe class 10th में दिया था.
I appeared for Anthe.
My parents saw an ad for Anthe in the newspaper.
I appeared for Anthe. I had given Anthe in class 10 ma'am, and in that I secured all India rank 19.
Actually newspaper में एक दिन ad मेरा देखा था कि वही Anthe exam के लिए.
Anthe is a very popular exam. It is a Akash National Talent Hunt examination. So I wanted to compete with students all over India.
Anthe is an all India test and it helped me to know my all India rank. I got 100% scholarship in Anthe and that's why I chose to pursue Akash.
मैंने Anthe दिया था 10th के बाद.
Anthe जब क्लियर हुआ तो मुझे 60% की स्कॉलरशिप मिल गई थी.
I gave Anthe in 10th grade.